Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to be going through our grade 5 English prompt. So this is it basically, a Word document of specific instructions. So we will enter our teacher details, input details. We start off by entering our school name, our name of course, and our date of the week that we are writing this plan and what week we are on. So in this case, I've put in week 7 because we're preparing the plan for next week. So I'm saying week 7. So yeah, that's all you need to enter. The week 7 from that option, teaching point, that part is the main part where the specific prompt uses that part to generate the entire weekly plan for that. So it's got about 3 options, A, B, and C. And I will go for option A here, where I will only enter my week 7. Note, for English, when you say week 7, it's taken from that weekly plan. It's found in your teacher's guide. So I'm putting week 7, so output. So yeah, basically that's what you will enter. Anything that is under the red line, the red highlight there, do not enter edit below this line. That is a very big no for you to not. So once you're done, we do a copy and we head on to our chat GPT. Now, in order for you to generate, every time you need to create a new chat. That is advisable every time you want to generate a weekly plan. For weekly plan, you need to start a new chat every time. So we head on there and we do a paste. We copy from the Word document, we do a paste in the chat GPT chat box. You will note that there are 3 uploads that I have there. I have my prompt, which is in the blue icon, and the 2 red icon there. That is my teacher's guide and my syllabus. Grade 5 English teacher guide, grade 5 English syllabus. So that's all you need to upload. Now, once I have those 3 uploaded, the only prompt that I will write in my chat box there is generate my weekly plan. Once I write that down in my chat box, I will go ahead and click on generate. Okay, so it's generating now my weekly plan. So here it says taught for 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Okay, so now it's going to display my output, and there you go. That's the output that it has displayed. So that is the weekly plan for week 7, grade 5 English. So that is how it is displayed. So going through, you will notice that it has listed all the content standard, which content standard are associated with that week 7 theme, which is on transport. Okay, that's our theme for week 7, and our text type is information and narrative. So that is our text type for that week, and our theme is transport. All right, It has also listed the content standard that is associated with that weekly program. Okay, it will also display the performance standard. All right, performance standard there. Objective that needs to be achieved for that particular week. And now to the body of the plan. You have Mondays. Okay, note under lesson type, you have this reading, the different strengths that are associated with the theme of that for that week. Reading, and it comes down. You have reading, grammar, listening, oral. Okay, note those big gaps there. This is according to the teacher guide. That is the loading pair strength for that particular week. So, and remember, those are taken directly from the teacher guide because of the prompts, the specific prompts. It's reading off the teacher guide, and these are the required minimum lessons that you should be having. And the type of assessment as well, something for you to know. And ending it with a supervisor's comment below. All right, so once you are done with that, and you want now to have that output exported to a Word document, and type in your chat box again, download Word to Word file. All right, once you do that, it's going to download. So if, in this case, it has stored for about a minute, meaning that it took about a minute for it to generate that or create a Word file for this plan. All right, so once it turns blue, this basically means that it's already created your Word document. You click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna give a pop-up where you now need to save it onto your desktop or a file on your computer, or if you're using your mobile phone, it's gonna download directly onto your file manager. And there you go. That's the file now. That's the file. This is the weekly plan. So, and that brings us to the end of our video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe to help me with this journey to teach you more about this prompt-based system that teachers of PNG to make the work easier and relieve some stress of lesson planning. So we'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.